Hey, crypto fam! Today I'm diving into why GateToken, yep GT, might just be the future of crypto investing. So if you've ever scrolled past Gate.io on the charts and wondered what's the deal with their token, stick around. First things first, GateToken is the native token of Gate.io, one of the biggest global crypto exchanges. But it's not just a discount coupon for trading fees. GT is the heart of an entire ecosystem, powering GateChain, a public blockchain that's all about asset safety and DeFi. Let's talk numbers. As of today, GT is trading at around $22.96, with a $2.8 billion market cap and a circulating supply of about 123 million tokens. It even hit an all-time high of $25.94 earlier this year. Not too shabby, right? So why are crypto insiders paying attention? Well, GT holders get real utility. Think trading fee discounts, exclusive access to initial exchange offerings, and even voting rights on platform decisions. Want passive income? You can stake GT for rewards, or use it as gas on GateChain for super fast, super cheap transactions. Speaking of GateChain, this blockchain is no slouch. It's got 4-second block times, transaction fees that are basically pocket change, literally fractions of a cent. And it's compatible with Ethereum's smart contracts. That means developers can deploy apps seamlessly, tapping into both worlds. Gate.io is also burning GT regularly, making it a deflationary asset and rolling out new features like GatePay and Gate Wallet. The ecosystem's not just growing, it's evolving fast. But here's the real talk. GT is tied closely to Gate.io, so its future depends on how the exchange performs. And of course, there's stiff competition from other exchange tokens like BNB. So, is GateToken the future? I think it's got the right fundamentals and a ton of momentum. As always, do your own research. Drop your questions below, and if you want more deep dives, don't forget to subscribe.